World's 6 Most Haunted Places. Forget your horror movie marathons and instead dive into the dark tales of 6 of the world's most haunted places. These eerie spots carry legends of cursed villages, abandoned islands, and restless spirits. 1. Kuldhara, Rajasthan, India, the cursed deserted village. Our first stop takes us to the scorched sands of Rajasthan, India. Here lies Kuldhara, a village that has been abandoned since the 1800s and is shrouded in a dark, lingering curse. Once a prosperous settlement of Paliwal Brahmins, the village fell under the gaze of a sinister minister named Salim Singh. Obsessed with a local girl, he threatened the villagers with outrageous taxes if they refused his proposal. Instead of giving in, the entire village vanished overnight, leaving behind empty homes and an ominous curse. Even today, visitors claim to feel an unsettling presence, and many say that no one can live here in peace. Dare to walk these dusty streets alone, and you might sense the watchful eyes of those who once lived here. 2. Poveglia Island, Venice, Italy, where madness lingers. Venice, with its winding canals and romantic gondolas, hides a dark secret. Venture away from the tourist crowds and you might find yourself near Poveglia, a small, uninhabited island that chills the bones of even the bravest explorers. During the 20th century, the island served as a quarantine station for victims of the bubonic plague. Later, it became a mental asylum where horrific treatments were rumored to take place. Now, Poveglia is abandoned, but whispers of tormented souls still drift across its waters. The island is technically off limits, but some daring tour operators might just take you close enough to feel the fear that lingers in the fog. 3. Alcatraz Island, San Francisco, USA. Echoes of infamous prisoners. The vibrant city of San Francisco holds many attractions, but none as chilling as Alcatraz Island. Once a maximum security prison, it housed some of the most notorious criminals in history, including Al Capone. The rock-solid walls of Alcatraz have witnessed countless escape attempts, violent confrontations, and eerie tales of ghostly encounters. Today, visitors can take guided tours of the island, but the true test of bravery is the night tour. As the sun sets and shadows stretch across the prison cells, you might just hear the faint strum of Capone's banjo or the distant clink of cell doors, sounds that shouldn't be there in the empty silence. 4. Island of Dolls, Mexico City, Mexico, a nightmare in the trees. Deep in the canals south of Mexico City lies a place straight out of a nightmare, Isla de las Muñecas, or the Island of Dolls. Here, hundreds of decaying dolls hang from the trees, their empty eyes staring out into the void. Legend has it that a man named Don Julian Santan began hanging the dolls to appease the spirit of a girl who drowned nearby. As the years went by, he collected more and more dolls, each one creepier than the last. Today, the island is a macabre attraction, with tourists and paranormal enthusiasts flocking to see this unsettling sight. But be warned, many claim that the dolls move, their heads turning and eyes blinking, as if possessed by the spirit of the drowned girl. 5. Isle of Wight, England, a haven for ghost hunters. The Isle of Wight, off England's southern coast, is famous for its dramatic cliffs and scenic landscapes. But beneath its natural beauty lies a reputation as one of the most haunted places in England. The island is steeped in stories of ghostly apparitions, from phantom soldiers to spectral children who haunt the old manor houses. Every year, the Isle of Wight attracts thousands of ghost hunters who walk its haunted trails, hoping for a glimpse of one of the island's many resident spirits. If you decide to explore, be prepared for chills, both from the cold sea breeze and the feeling of unseen eyes watching you. 6. Norfolk Island, Australia, paradise with a dark past. Our final destination is Norfolk Island, a remote paradise in the Pacific Ocean with a history as dark as its waters are deep. Today, the island is known for its breathtaking landscapes and iconic Norfolk pine trees. But in the 19th century, it was a penal colony for the world's most violent criminals. The harsh conditions and brutal punishments left a stain on the island's past, and many believe that the spirits of those who suffered here still linger. Visitors often report hearing disembodied cries and seeing shadowy figures along the old convict trail. It's a beautiful place, but one where beauty and terror walk hand in hand. So, how many of these haunted spots have you visited? Whether it's one, none, or all 6, the question remains, would you dare to? This Halloween, if you crave an adventure beyond the ordinary, perhaps it's time to pack a bag and visit one of these spine-tingling places. Just don't forget to leave the lights on.